What's up, buddy?
There's a demon under my bed.
No, there's not. Would it make you feel better if I checked?
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Oh, hey, Frank.
Brian?
What's up, dude?
Yo, I haven't seen you since I was like 10, dude. You still working for the big man downstairs, I see.
You know me, man.
Listen, you mind laying off my son up there? He's a little bit of a puss.
Oh, that's kind of cute. I like that. You call him your son. Yeah, he's the mailman's kid. You didn't know that?
What do you mean?
Yeah, dude, I was actually there. I was waiting for your daughter to come to sleep so I could scare her, but instead I got Mrs. Mones-a-lot and Mailman Steve making a paperboy right above me.
All right, man.
All right, man.
Yep, nothing there. You're good.
Are you sure?
Hey, Billy, you want to play Naked Twister?